Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this cool DIY party decorations. You can make these decorations and decorate your home on any occasion. So let's get started. So the first thing we'll make is the party bauble or the party decorations to hang on the walls. We've taken A4 sized red colored paper. So take a scalloped edge scissor. We're going to cut out strips from the red paper with these scalloped edge scissors. So you can see the scissors give a nice scalloped edge. So we are going to continue to cut out strips out of the paper. So next we're going to cut out even smaller strips out of these strips. Next we're going to take the smaller strip and we're going to fold it in a conical shape and apply glue on one of its ends and fold it into a cone. Trim the ends so that it looks more circular. So here we have our cone shape. So we're going to continue to do so and we're going to make few more cones. Next we're going to stick one cone to another cone with some glue. We'll continue to stick more cones to these cones so that we get a bunch of cones, so it will make a party bauble. So next I'll take a golden ribbon and I'm going to cut a small piece of it. I'm going to fold this piece of ribbon in half and apply some glue on its ends and stick this inside the bauble. I'm going to stick it in between some of the cones of the bauble. So this will allow our decoration to hang to our walls. So here we have a beautiful decoration. Now we'll make it even prettier by adding some stones and pearls in the centers of the cones. You can add glitter to it by taking a golden glitter pen and rubbing it all along the edges of the cones. Another option to decorate our party decoration is to dot some glue on the edges of the cone and sprinkle some glitter on it. This would make our party decoration nice and glittery. So here's our party bauble all ready. It's looking really beautiful. You can hang it anywhere on the walls or on along the window panes to give a party look. So my next DIY idea would be to make a party banner. So for this, we're going to take a length of ribbon. I'm going to take a red ribbon and we're going to take some pattern paper square. My pattern paper squares are 21.5 centimeters, which I'm going to divide it in half and cut all along the divided line. So this will give us triangles for our banner. Next, we're going to take some pink glitter tape and we're going to stick this all along the edges of our triangles. We're going to do the same thing with all the triangles. Next, I'm going to take a marker and I'm going to write the sentiment on the triangle banner. I'm going to write a happy home sentiment. You can write any sentiment if you wish, suiting your occasion. So here we have all our triangles ready. Next, we're going to take the red ribbon and we're going to apply glue on its end and loop it to allow us to hang the banner. We'll do this to both the ends. So next, we're going to stick the triangles on the ribbon in the order of the sentiment. So here's our cool banner ready, which says Happy Home, and it can be hung anywhere on the walls in our home. Alternatively, you can use a glitter tape to write the message on it. You can stick the glitter tape in the way of the letter and make the sentiment out of it. So next, to make our banner prettier, I'm going to add the bobble which I had made earlier and stick it in the center of the banner. My last DIY is to take some balloons and blow air into it. Next, we are going to take a permanent marker or a normal marker and draw a pretty smiley face on it. You make any face on it. You can make a cartoon face or any pretty or smiley face you wish to draw. Alternately, you can even write the occasion sentiment on the balloon. This would make a personalized balloon, and you could personalize it to suit any occasion quickly and easily. So these are some of my quick DIY ideas. These are quick, easy, and can be personalized to suit any of your occasions. So hope you've enjoyed this party decoration video, and you can subscribe to my channel Crystal Crafts by clicking the button below the video. You can visit my blog craftworldb.blogspot.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Crystal Crafts.